Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add logo in Webflow. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. If you've already done that, go ahead and open your Webflow dashboard. This is where you'll see all of your projects listed. Once you've located your project, click to open it in the Webflow Designer. Now that you're in the Webflow Designer, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. There you'll find the Assets panel. This is where you'll manage all the media files for your project. You're going to see a cloud icon in this panel. Clicking on it allows you to upload images directly into Webflow. So, find your logo image file on your computer and upload it using this feature. With your logo uploaded, it's time to place it on your website. Decide where you want your logo displayed. Common choices include the navbar or a header section. To place your logo, you'll be using the Add panel. Click and drag an image element over to the area where you've decided to place your logo. After dropping the image element into position, go to the Image Settings. Here, you'll select your newly uploaded logo from the Assets panel. Almost finished. Now it's time to tweak the look of your logo to fit your design. To do this, select the logo image element in the Navigator panel on the left. With the logo selected, open the Style panel, which you'll find on your right. This panel is where you can adjust various visual aspects. You can change the size to either enlarge or reduce your logo to perfectly fit its intended spot. Margins and padding can also be modified to better position and space the logo, ensuring it's well integrated with other elements on the page. And that's it. So that is how you can add logo in Webflow. So that's all for this video. Thanks.